Hi friends. Welcome to Dentistry Love Channel, Biomechanical Preparation Part 2, Synopsis, Cleaning and Shaping of Canals. Objectives include mechanical, biological and clinical. Cleaning and shaping of canals. Cleaning. Removal of all potentially pathogenic contents from root canal. Shaping dual action. 3D progressive access. Apical preparation to permit final obturation instruments and materials to fit easily. Objectives include mechanical objective, biological objective and clinical objective. Mechanical objective: continuous tapering, conical shape. Narrow apically and widest coronally. Concept of flow, multiple planes. Apical foramen as small as possible. And avoid transportation of apical foramen. Biological objective: confinement of instruments to roots, necrotic debris not forced periapically, complete removal of tissue from canal space and creation of sufficient space for obturating material. Clinical objective: removal of overlying dentin, straight line access, hermetic seal in obturation and permanent restorations, form, function and aesthetics. Thank you friends. Please do subscribe for more videos.